around Newmarket and Crawfordsville. We're going to continue around Franklin and Trafalgar to track a heavy pocket of snow. And what you see from Greenfield and Knightstown through Muncie, that could actually be producing some thunder snow as we head into this afternoon. So yeah, you could possibly hear some rumbles of thunder. Now look to the south of Bedford. This is kind of the tail end of it, but it's still going to be at least about 5 hours before everything moves out. In the last 6 hours, you've really seen the system pinwheeling to the northeast. Some of the heaviest snow bands are still left with us here in central Indiana, and that's why this blizzard warning continues until 7 o'clock tonight. And Chuck, I just took a quick peek outside the roads kind of around the station, so that would be Meridian, 10th and 11th Street, and they're basically snow covered, so you can tell that the plows have come through. They're doing their jobs. They've pre-treated the roadways, but when you have winds gusting at 40 miles per hour, the snow just covers them right up, and it almost just makes their work completely invisible. And that's what we're worried about, the visibility, the temperature, the wind. And as we head into the afternoon, the wind is only going to continue to increase. This is a live view outside right now, and you can see there's really no...
Well, here's my live view right here.